Hey, Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. 10-minute timer. Let's make sure I stay under 10 minutes. So, all right, let's talk about today. We got down to 50.52 during the session, and it was. I mean, we hit bottom targets. 12p target from high to low is 305 ticks today on my spreadsheet. We hit the GAN 360-degree angle today, which was at 50.54. I mean, we did things that doesn't normally happen. So, personally, as far as trading went, let me just double check to see where I am in relation to. All right, so personally, my trading, I was down 24 ticks before returning the other direction and going 34 plus. So I ended up up just 10. So it was a difficult day for me trying to catch the short, and because it kept looking back, and it is what it is. I mean, a lot of the move happened prior. I got really close yesterday to catching a 50 tick move. I got really close today to catching a another 50 tick move. So it was just very close. Yesterday I think I was in at 54.19 or 54.18, and it retraced back to 54.18 and then went down during from like 1:15 to 1:30. I was in the right area, right time, right ball game, and it just retraced a little bit too high. It went to entry point, and then it proceeded to head on down. Probably yesterday I should have held the swing, the minor swing high of about 23 right there. I think it was 54.23. I probably should have held that. I've talked about that in the past. Penny wise, dollar foolish. Didn't want to take a loss yesterday after having, didn't want to increase my loss. Yesterday I ended up with a loss. As far as this week goes, Monday I was up 29 ticks and finished. Yesterday I finished down 11. Today I finished up 10. So I'm still up on the week. It's just that it could have been a lot better. I don't think I could have traded Monday any better than what I did, other than stop trading at plus 44 ticks. I ended up giving up 15 ticks after going up 44. It didn't want to come back down, so I got caught trying to short that and lost another 15 ticks. Stopped at plus 29. Yesterday I had an opportunity to go up. I guess it would have been up about 39 ticks after being down 11. I got a little bit too close to the market and it took me out. I didn't want to increase my loss from minus 11 at that point. At the end of the day, I didn't want to get anywhere near. Today, I came in and said that I want to have a good trading day, and then I proceeded to lose 2 times in a row, or 3 times in a row, go down minus 24. Then I ended up just kind of clawing my way back after that to go up plus 10. So that has been my week. I try not to, I guess the way I look at things right now, I try not to take any big hit at any given time. I tried a couple times to catch the bottom. I actually was long from 50.56 today, and it retraced. It was on the double bottom. It went up and then it came back down and knocked me out. I got extremely close to being able to catch a 50 tick move, not only up, but also I got really close to catching a 50 tick move down. Today could have been, if the market would have participated a little bit, for me, and had a little bit of momentum driven behind it, I could have caught down to 50.80 from 51.30, and I could have caught from 50.56 50 ticks up, going up to, I guess it was 51.06. So close. I feel pretty confident about some of my trade setups. It's just the confidence of holding and not taking a loss. I mean, obviously it could have been, I could be talking today about how I'm up 100 ticks today and everything went great by, the momentum was driven. but it kept looking back. Today I can tell you the market would look back that one extra time before going, and that in a nutshell was today's trading for me. It looked back, like I said before, I was down 24 ticks before I even made my move at all. So I was quite happy to get up 10 ticks, and then I tried a move down from 51.30. It came back to knock me out, then going down to the lows. Then I finally, on the double bottom, I tried to move up at 50.56, and it came down one more time on my tick chart before going up to where I believe the market was, heading back to the 51.10 area. You can be right and wrong all at the same time, right? We've all if we've been any part of trading, you can be right and wrong. So yeah, you're right. You might be right about where the market is going to go, but you're wrong on timing. Today, that's what happened with me. I'm going to wrap it here. This is my Wednesday. That's my midweek synopsis right now, and I've got it under 10 minutes. So I'm gonna call it a day. By the way, like, share, subscribe. My subscriber base hasn't been growing lately, and I think it has a lot to do with I lean to the right. Even though I'm kind of in that central stand, I lean to the right, and places that YouTube deems thinks is right oriented do not get the views like I used to. So I'm seeing negative impact on my YouTube channel as well, and just not getting the views that I used to get. And it started, for me, it started about all of July. I mean, I had my biggest month I've ever had in June, up through the first half of this year, and then all of a sudden they changed the algorithm around, and July was a shitty month as far as view count goes. August, hopefully it'll start picking up. Maybe it was just a blip, and I'll continue to grow my channel. I mean, it's a labor of love, so I would appreciate you sharing too. Anyway, so this is Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you being here, each and every one of you, good or bad. Criticism, keeping constructive. We have no problems. 2 thumbs up. We'll talk to you later. You know my name. You know where I'm from. Let's just call it.